Or some are synthetic, that man-made fiber we can call, and the second type of plastic is called natural. You can call that the plastic chair, plastic tables, polythene, these bags, water bottles, these are called man-made. And some are natural polymer. You know, the natural polymer is protein and also carbohydrates. These are called natural polymer. These examples here given, look at here, this is the first example about the addition. As I wrote on the whiteboard, these three examples of addition, polymerization. That you can use monomer polyethylene, then this is your polymer. You can use monomer polypropylene. There are 3 carbons, 1, 2 and 3. This is an example of polymer. And you can use polychloroethene, written here Cl, it means chlorine, it comes from chlorine, we call here chloro. So in the second columns, repeating unit, or you can say these are polymer, and the first column the name of monomers, and the last column is written there where we use these things. Now the examples here about the addition, this is whole information about addition, polymerization, that it can be carbon-carbon double bond, there is no external molecules, no extra molecules, only formation of polymer take place, and this is the first example. This is the written here 2 example, first one ethene, this ethene is called monomer. When combined together, they form a long chain we call polymer. What we will do here, just finish the double bond. Here center, you can see here single bond and here double bond. In monomer double, but in polymer must be single. Look at here double bond, here single bond. Just remove this double bond and rest things only copy there, and we call this one is polymer and this one is monomer. Now come on here, this is all about the addition. We are going to start the second type of polymer, polymerization, that is called condensation. Condensation polymerization, first things you must know that it can combine by 2 different monomers, not same, 2 different, and there is another molecule, small molecules. So we have 2 types of condensation. First one is nylon, and second type of condensation polymerization is polyester. We can also call toluene, polyester or toluene. We have 2 examples. Now we are going to study that which 2 types of monomer we need. See, this polymer we need 2 monomers. First monomer you can use dioic acid. Oic acid, you know that what is oic acid, I explain you, and here we are going to use diamine. Diamines mean that NH2, then we have how many molecules of carbon atom, sometimes we show by box, no problem, then here NH2, this is called diamine, and dicarboxylic HOC. Then here number of carbon atom, you can just copy, make it box, and then here COOH. Because we have 2 carboxylic, we call dioic. We have 2 amines, we call diamines. So which type of monomer we use for nylon? These 2. These 2 are monomer required for nylon. You can write A and B. Look at here the example. Written here what is condensation. You can see this example of condensation come on the proper first type of monomer, that formation of nylon. In formation of nylon you can see the first one COOH, and here also COOH, carboxylic, that's what we call dicarboxylic here given, and second one NH2 and NH2. In between you can write carbon atom or you can make a box. So this one diamine, dicarboxylic. When these 2 are combined together by the removal of small water molecules, we call polymer, and this polymer is called condensation polymerization. What you will do here, just remove H from amines, OH from carboxylic, and then make a bond between carbon and